Okay guys, welcome to your fifth tutorial on html5. Right, so what I've done is, first of all, I have changed the header up here to h1. I only put this in just to show a header. It's not a properly designed website. We've looked at our nav, right, and on order list, right, we have our list items, okay. Then we have our section, we have our article, okay, we've done all that, we've put in a bit of writing here. We then put in a side news. I just put a header in. Then we put in a footer with that. So I made that file one, okay. And what I've done is the overall website. You know this stands for overall. This is asterisk. I've given a margin of 0 pixels. This looks like a bloody old. It should be a 0. Excuse me, all. 0 pixels, right? And the padding is 0 because all browsers are different. Okay. The H1, I just decided to give it a few details with background colors and things like that. I'm padding 20 pixels. I should have done that there. Some problems found on your PC, yeah, go away. Now, I give a border on the bottom, and we'll see why I've done that in a minute. And then the nav. I give the nav a padding of 30 pixels and a background color of pink. Okay. So I go in here and I refresh this, and there's what we get. You see what we have? We have a border all the way across, so we can make this website any size you want. We can bring it to 1,000 pixels, whatever you want. You can do it all you want. So this just gives you the top header. You see, it just been Cold Matters website. Here's a navigation. Now they're all underneath each other, but we are going to space them across here. And this we haven't touched yet. Now there's the reason I just put the line on the bottom, because why would I want a border up here around the top? Doesn't make sense. We can also move this padding down from the top of our browser here if we want. That's no problem to do that. So this is just to show you a little piece of what we will be going forward on. But what I am going to do, I'm going to stop this one now, and we're going to jump into some classes, some IDs, and other things, and we'll come back to all this. Okay? Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Catch you next time. Bye bye.